Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to set timer in Canva. At the bottom of the Canva window, locate timer button. Click on the timer button and the timer settings will appear. Adjust timer duration by clicking the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease time. Alternatively, you can manually type in desired minutes in seconds. Click the play button to start timer countdown. If you need it, you can pause timer using the pause button. To reset timer to default settings, click on the reset button. After starting timer, you can minimize it, keep to visible but out of way. By using timer feature in Canva, you can set specific time limits for your design session or presentation, helping you manage your time effectively. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.